Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to start Wallpaper Engine. I'll show you 3 different ways to start Wallpaper Engine. The first way is you open up Steam and then you just hover over Library, click here on Home, and then on the left hand panel you should actually see Wallpaper Engine. If you scroll down, click on Wallpaper Engine, and then I want you to click on Launch. Now, as you can see right here we have options. Just click on Play, we'll do the normal one, and then you'll see we have our wallpaper changed. And if the app itself does not open, what you can do is just come here and click on this icon to show the hidden icons, and then you go ahead and double click on Wallpaper Engine. And if you do that, the app will actually open up. You can close this and choose any wallpaper that you may want. The third way to go ahead and open up a Wallpaper Engine is to just go ahead and double click on the Wallpaper Engine shortcut that you should find on your desktop. Now, as you can see, Wallpaper Engine has started up and we have our wallpaper. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.